Do you want to learn how to use ChatGPT search extension? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So currently I'm on chatgpt.com and I'm going to show you how to change your default search engine, replace Google search with ChatGPT. So in order to do this, we're going to click on this on the top right and then click on Get ChatGPT Search Extension, which is going to redirect us to Chrome Web Store. And over here, it's going to say the item is inactive. I need to enable it. But first, you need to add it to Chrome. Currently, it says remove from Chrome because I've already added it. And I can remove this from here and add it again. Click on Add Extension. Now this is added to Chrome. Now if I click on this plus icon in my Chrome web browser and I try to search something here, something like this, it's going to say here ChatGPT search. Right, enter on my keyboard. It's going to take us over to ChatGPT and use the search function to search the web and give you the accurate results. Now you can follow up on this question if you want. Now, most people have given a lower star rating here, as it's 3.3 stars. And I've found that their issue mostly is that they did install it, so they don't know what is going on. It's not working. They have no idea. There's no trace of OpenAI anywhere in the browser or settings. And the extension itself is grayed out. And there are a lot more issues in it. I thought, okay, what's going on? What happens is if you're not using it for some time, it's going to disable the extension. Also, while you were using it the first time, it would give you a pop-up here. Do you want to continue with this ChatGPT search extension, or do you want to go back to Google search? So at that time, maybe you have selected to go back to Google search. Anyway, on the top right, click on these three dots. And if you go to extensions, manage extensions, we're going to find the ChatGPT search here. And what could be the reason behind it's not working would be that it's probably disabled like this and it's grayed out. So if I go here in ChatGPT, in the URL I mean, and I try to search something like what is ChatGPT, it's going to say Google search like this. So it's not going to work with ChatGPT. It's just going to go back to Google search. So you need to enable this from here in order for it to work. Now, maybe you want to search on Google and not search on ChatGPT, but you still want to keep that ChatGPT search extension active. In order to do this and not search on ChatGPT, instead search on Google, we need to type in exclamation mark and then type in G. Now, if you type in any query here, let's say, for example, I type in what is ChatGPT like this, but instead of just typing it regularly, we did choose to type in an exclamation mark with G next to it. Now, if I type it here, it's going to take us over to Google and search that on Google instead of going to ChatGPT. And that's what you can do with this extension. And with this extension, you can change your default search engine, which is usually Google. And that's it. That's how to use ChatGPT search. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.